What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here and I'm currently at MyTech in Kuala Lumpur to attend ASEAN AI Summit. And for 2 days, we will be able to witness some announcements and demonstrations in regards to AI. Come, let me show you. So in this summit, we will be able to understand more about Huawei's AI ecosystem and also AI talent development. I personally am very interested in the first one, hence I'm going to head to the experience zone now to check them out. At this zone, we get to see how AI is reshaping and upgrading industries like in government, finance, retail, etc. HUAWEI Cloud provides customers with low latency, highly reliable one-stop cloud solutions with unparalleled local support to empower industry AI pioneers. For example, HUAWEI Cloud AI is helping U-Learning, an educational platform, to deliver AI assistance to teachers and also to students.
So we are actually using AI for a bunch of different scenarios, from generating content to making use of content, right? The AI can even help teachers to generate like question banks.
So this is mostly the teacher side. Can you show me the student side?
Yeah, student side, we are using AI to support mainly personalized learning. The teachers can also see this as well from a top-down view. They can see which students are good in which point, you know, so they can take the necessary actions, with AI assisting the way as well.
For finance, Huawei has partnered with Trust Decision to co-develop a digital financial services solution, for example, detecting fraud and also helping with online transaction ecosystem.
So our main goal is want to build a intelligence network around the world. If any events that involves like transactions,
so intelligence network in finance, which includes fraud detection, onboarding of bank accounts, and also transactions for online e-commerce platforms.
Unlike traditional fraud system, we take a very data-centric and AI-powered approach to help our financial institution.
Other than those ecosystems, let me show you one of their partners helping in creating AI speech recognition. So this AI partner called iFlyTech is working with Huawei to create speech translation systems, for example, like what you're looking at now. What do you do for work?
我教的是教青少年，
Okay.
教他们科技，教他们创业。可是之前呢，我办的是 VC，
Interesting.
而且我之前是做投资银行的。投资银行的话，在新加坡可以到全亚洲发展。哦，那你呢？你做视频做了多久？
I have been doing content for more than 10 years now. So I started with YouTube and then now I'm also doing short videos. There's also another AI solutions partner called UDesk, which is working with Huawei as well to create things like AI chatbot, ticketing system, insight system, video chat, call center systems, and more. So in order to prepare the next generation of people with AI knowledge and skills, Huawei is also collaborating with higher education institutions to cultivate over 30,000 Malaysian AI talents in the next 3 years. These include fundamental courses whereby students get to learn about cloud computing. There is also talent training courses to nurture and also empower new generations of highly skilled AI talents to strengthen industry's competitiveness across Southeast Asia. Oh, I also just realized that Huawei is involved with wildlife reservation at the Sarawak rainforest. And they're supporting agriculture and also aquaculture through some smart apps like UFarm. So that wraps up my experience at the HUAWEI Cloud AI Ecosystem Summit APAC, hosted during the ASEAN AI Summit 2025. So are you excited with how AI is helping with growth and advancement in Southeast Asia? Let me know in the comments below and follow for more.